sing when the crowd's on your side. But what about the fire when your faith is tried? When the pressure comes and the voices get loud, will you stand for the truth or blend with the crowd? It's easy in the light where the saints all sing, harder in the shadows where it costs everything. Every word